Hello guys, if you wanna learn how to edit text for your picture or your video and you wanna edit a background or shadows, you're in the right place. Let's do it. So open your Adobe Premiere. You have two choices to edit title on our three choices on Adobe Premiere. Let's go to File, New, and you can add legacy title. Then click OK. Then put your words, what you wanna write, and click X. Or you can add just picture or video. I'm gonna choose this picture to show you guys how to do it. It's fun, eh? So first thing, click on Type tool and click here and put what you wanna write. So I'm gonna write my channel name, and after click on Selection tool. It's here, and then now you can make it bigger or smaller. It's how you wanna do it. It's up to you. On left corner, click on Effect Control, Audio Effect Control, and on your text, just this one down. And here you can change what is your what's your text name. So we're gonna choose something simple, like easy to read. Yeah, this one. Let's keep this one. Here it's similar, you can make it bigger or smaller. And let's go down to the color. So I wanna like be good for this picture, so I'm gonna choose a color is not here on this side, so it's gonna be more white. Yeah, white to red. Yeah, it's look nice with this picture. And click OK. If you wanna stroke around your letters, you can do it. If you wanna choose stroke, it's my opinion, just do it on black. It's usually look better, see, but I don't want to put stroke. It's alright like this. Yeah. If you want to put added background for that, you can do it, and you can make it bigger, and the sides, the corner, you can make it like this rounds, so it's kind of be like the subscribe thing, YouTube subscribe. It's look alright, but we don't want to put background for that, because already you can read the letters or the words you write here easy, because the background is not white. If it's white and your letter white, then added background, that's gonna show your text more. You got shadow here. On shadow, it's nice to add a shadow actually. Yeah, let's make it a bit stronger because the color very close to this picture. And yeah, should be very close actually, like this, halfway. Yeah, now see, this one is, let's take everything. So this one, yeah, okay, we're gonna just something like that. I think that's alright. So that's how to edit text and edit a shadow for it, our background. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.